So what is availability set? If I select this option, what kind of benefits will be available regarding the fault tolerance? Here you can see right now we have Microsoft Azure Dublin region, and inside the Dublin region we have DB1 data center. So whenever I create the virtual machine, my virtual machine will be hosted inside this data center on any specific physical host or any specific physical machine. And after the creation of this virtual machine will be up and running. But after a few months or after a few weeks, unfortunately an incident happened and this physical server goes down due to any reason. It might be power failure, it might be hardware failure, or in any other kind of incident. So if I select the availability set option, so after selecting this option, my virtual machine will be automatically shifted on next available physical host and will be up and running without any downtime and without any notification. So that means availability set provide redundancy regarding the hardware options or regarding the physical server. So whenever you are working with any kind of production infrastructure, so you must have to be select at least availability set option. So in any case, if a specific physical server goes down, so the next physical server will be available and your virtual machine will be up and running without any kind of downtime. So this benefit is available with the availability set option. And let's move and explore what other options available regarding the redundancy.